This video is going to cover how to edit the pages on your website. First and foremost, to log into the site, make sure you go to the URL, and that simply is going slingboarding.com, and you're going to type in wp-admin, just like this. You'll be brought to a screen with the username and password. Once you log in, you will see a screen like this. And this is the generic dashboard. Once you're logged in, I then like to open up another tab to view the site. You'll notice now you'll see this navigation bar that you don't normally see when you're not logged in. And there's a really cool tool I've put on here for you to edit the site. There are other ways of doing it, but this I think is going to be the most fluid for you. Pull up the page that you want to edit, and then once you have that, you'll notice you have this page or this option called Edit with Visual Composer. Once you click on that, you're going to notice that the page actually changes and starts to look like this. And this now gives you the opportunity to finding the area that you want to edit. And please disregard the slider because the slider is custom built and you're actually seeing what image is in the background. So the slider is not going to play because once again this is an editing area. And the slider is pulling from a separate situation, so that's not for this particular tutorial. But scrolling down, anywhere that there is text or imagery that can be edited, you'll notice that there's always a box with a pencil. Now, it's imperative you don't take the box and move it, because you can if you would want, but the site's been built to spec for you, but knowing that you have the freedom to doing so. But now you'll notice anywhere that can be edited, always look for that green box when you hover over an area. So I'm just going to quickly scroll through here, and you'll notice every cell element has this green box with that pencil. And that pencil will indicate that you can change the image and or the text. So taking it from head to toe, in this case you'll notice this is this box. You can click this pencil. It's going to pull up this box that now allows you to edit the content. And within the content you can then start to type and change some of the formatting and grammar things like on Word. But here's the goal. Once you've edited the content and you have it to what you want, you have to hit Save Changes here. Once you hit Save Changes, the box will then close. And then it's imperative in the upper right-hand corner, in order for it to take effect, you must hit Update. So make sure that you do that, and that's just the same thing on any of these areas. Clicking on the pencil, and then editing the text, and hitting Save Changes. Please disregard all these other options. These are already calibrated and set for you. So that's how you do that. Same thing with the gallery. Now that we're talking about imagery versus text, you'll notice hit this green pencil. It's going to then populate, here are your images. It's as easy as hitting this X of which ones you want to take down, even moving the order that they may be in, and then adding this plus sign to pull more. And that's as easy as clicking this plus sign. It's going to ask you, do you want to load some imagery that is already on the site, because WordPress saves them, and or do you want to upload? Most of the time you're going to want to upload, then you'll hit Select Files, and it runs you through that process. Once again, once you're done editing, hit Save Changes, and then Update. It will take effect right away. This same principle is across the board. So here's the Slingboard page. It's once again Edit with Visual Composer. Every element that can be edited easily will have that green box. You hit the pencil, and bada bing, that's all it is. Hopefully this was helpful.